2013 Nissan Altima. Blower motor is in-op. Alright, so obviously the first thing you're going to want to do when you have a complaint where the blower motor doesn't work or anything doesn't work is verify the complaint. Got the heat turned all the way up. We got no blower motor action. Can't hear anything coming out of the vents. Got nothing. Alright, so let's check the fuses first and see what we got. Alright, that's the fuse box. This is the panel here. The fuse is missing. It's the fuse right underneath that little white thingy there. It's missing because I took it out because it kept blowing. Well, not because it kept blowing, but because it was blown and I was using my fuse saver kit on that. I already know what's wrong with this car, by the way. So let's get the fuse saver kit out and I'll show you what's going on with this car. This is the fuse saver kit right here. And what it does is it's basically just a circuit breaker. You hook it into the fuse box and instead of burning through fuses, you just press the button on the circuit breaker when the fuse trips until you find the short that's causing the fuse to blow. So let's get that set up. Stick that into the fuse. And then you hook up. This is a 10 amp system. By the way, Blue Point isn't the only one that makes this, I don't think. If I can find another brand, I'll post a link in the description. 10 amp. Right there, 10 amp fuse. Well, 10 amp breaker. Plug that into that. I'm holding the camera with one hand, so let's see if I can do it. There we go. Alright, that's plugged in. So let's hook that up. You can see that, well, I don't know if you saw it or not, but it blew the breaker right away. See that? Breaker is tripped. It's going to blow it again. That means I have a short. So let's find that short and we'll go from there. Being that the blower motor is the component on this circuit that will likely draw the most current, that is where we will perform our first check. Plus, it's relatively easy to get to. You got to take that side cover off. There's a screw right there. Right here. Right there, one in the back, another one in the back, and then there's 3 at the bottom. Right there, and right there. This side cover here just pops right off. You just grab an edge and pull it like that. Next, you just yank the glove box out, pretty much. That's it. Some wires here. Some wires here and there. You can undo it or just let it dangle. I just usually just sit it on the floor. Just sit the glove box on the floor out of the way. And that's the blower motor right there. I'm not even going to test it. I'm not even going to pull my meter out or a test light or anything. I'm just going to simply unplug it and see if my breaker stops tripping. Alright, that's unplugged. So let's see if my breaker will... Where did I put it? Okay. Let's see if this stops tripping. There you have it. Now watch when I plug it in. And see if I can keep that focus there and plug it in at the same time. Let's see what happens. Alright. Let's get you focused again. Alright, I'm about to plug it back in. That's it. So the problem is the blower motor. We're going to put a new blower motor in and call it a day. This is the blower motor here. It's easy to change once you got the glove box out. One screw here. There's another screw back there. And there's one off in the corner that you could probably see. Yeah. Okay. Here. And back there. That's it. Look what we got inside the blower motor cage. We got some rat's nests. Look inside, up in the blower motor thingy. If I can even get you in here. Hold on. Yeah, that's inside the blower motor. So, that's the reason why it went bad. Right there. That's where the blower motor came from. Am I zoomed out? I am zoomed out a little bit. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's focus, I mean. Get some light. Yeah, that's all of the crud from the rodents. I gotta clean that out by hand. Alright, so we got the new fan in, the new blower motor. We got it installed. Nice and shiny. Brand spanking new. And this is our fuse saver. You can see it's pressed in, reset, ready to go. And the fan is actually on already. Oh, hold on. Let me turn on my light. Where is my light? What did I do with it? There we go. There we go. Got the fan on. You can probably hear it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. This is Hakeem with AutoFixPal. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.